In today's video, we're troubleshooting some flickering lights. So we're gonna get our ladder here. Sorry, it's a bit mess. It's been a little hectic for us this couple weeks. So I was actually in Japan, enjoying my time with my family. But now it's time to work. So what we got going on today is basically flickering lights. The lights are flickering mostly due for a couple reasons. It could be a loose connection to the system, or it could just be a bad dimmer. It could be the bulbs, something inside the recessed lighting that's causing it to flicker. So we'll talk to the owner right here, seeing if we could do some video of our actual work. We always want to give permission, definitely, so we don't want to freak them out too. So I just want to show you guys the streamline, how we work and how we do it, so that way you guys can have an idea and enjoy the video. Ladies and gents, we're here trying to figure out this switch, if it goes here, and if it does, then it's just a matter of rewiring these areas here. Now, back in the olden days, they used to have sconces around the area, and I'm pretty sure might be a sconce right there, and it goes up. I mean, it's a little crazy, but that's how they used to do it. And then they wallpapered this, because in the olden days they used to believe in sconces, not in actual light fixtures, especially in these you know, mini mansions that they have here. But yeah, I mean, this is just part of the old install, and what they do is they tap off the light and then just put these more modern lights. In their day they were modern, so now we got to see if this fish tape that I have here, we can pinpoint where it goes, and then we can try to pop that light open, either put a cover plate or, hey, put a light fixture. Just gotta be careful. And I know what you guys are saying, why are you doing it for live power? Well, it's actually the best way of doing it. So I explained to the customer, we're gonna do we're gonna change the bulbs to LEDs. He wants the swivel kinds, which we got them in the shop, not too far away. And also we will tell him that we'll change those dimmers to LED rated. It's always good to update it to the latest and greatest. Why use incandescent when you can get something better and beneficial? So we're gonna open the first can light so you guys will see that, and then we'll see if everything works smoothly from there. Wedge it out. You guys can see it. I haven't seen none of that, but you just gotta look to see why is it so hard. Don't go by your instinct, just go by the circumstance. Old box, old installation. Okay, so we'll move on to the next step. Is to, you know, we can do the rewire here, and this continues that way. So we'll check it out. All right, so we're testing this. Owner said that this light fixture isn't working, so quick test just to see why isn't. Sometimes it's just the bulb. Oh yeah, it's pretty much the actual pull chain. I just see it right now that it's not going to be working. Doesn't engage. But like everything, we got to make sure. I'm going to open this up. That's why we troubleshoot, because as you can see here, look how it's done. Homeowners, honeydew homers, gotta love them, but also, you know, because they actually provide. Yeah, what, just saying. Oh, this doesn't work. This is just, wow, the worst. So the way we troubleshoot, we'll check there's power, but wow, no wire nut. So that's really a dangerous scenario here. If there's some sort of bad connection, wires can overheat even though the breaker might do its job, but if the breaker's not doing well, then a little cause of concern. I'm not sure why, but this item here stopped working. It's not engaging. Usually you hear a little snip. It could have been to a bad connection, overheated, and that's what happens when, you know, try to get it. We gotta get it done right. All right, so we're testing this. Owner said that this light fixture isn't working, so that's why we troubleshoot, because as you can see here, look how it's done. Homeowners, honeydew homers, gotta love them, but also, you know, because they actually provide. Yeah, what, just saying. Oh, this doesn't work. This is just, wow, the worst. So the way we troubleshoot, we'll check there's power, but wow, no wire nut. So that's really a dangerous scenario here. If there's some sort of bad connection, wires can overheat even though the breaker might do its job, but if the breaker's not doing well, then a little cause of concern. I'm not sure why, but this item here stopped working. It's not engaging. Usually you hear a little snip. It could have been to a bad connection, overheated, and that's what happens when, you know, try to get it. We gotta get it done right. All right, everyone, we did the first step to see these are all cloth wiring. So the second step to see if these are also, and then this section too. So I'll just open one. We've seen how easy these were, but you know, this should be much faster. Yep, same scenario. We assume what we have here is basically at one point they are tied in together. I just hope it's not in that little beautiful chandelier. I don't want to get into that, but yeah, we're assuming this is 1, 2, and these 3. But you picture if all these are like that, so we're assuming these are it too. And probably this is original actually, because this is just old wiring. Okay guys, I just talked to the customer. He did approve the work. It is quite a bit of work. I started today. Hopefully my my installers can come tomorrow, finish it off without any issues, which I'm sure they can, just depending on their work schedule. I'm gonna try my best to get as much done as possible. If not, I could come tomorrow myself. Get more work done. They will have the recording. So just looking at this scenario, they have one outlet plugged into this strip. The practicality is that what we do in these scenarios, we always advise the customer, just imagine this is a 2 socket and you want to convert it into a 6. Now most of the time what we do explain to the customer, this is only enough for 2. Now mind you, the load and all that is a factor, but usually with these scenarios, what we do, we can do a 4-prong outlet without breaking the drywall. If he does approve it, we'll let you see the transition and hopefully get rid of this, or maybe they still can't use it, but maybe just use 1, maybe 2, but we'll see. We'll let you know. Yikes, I should have showed you this, but wow, I just unscrew the cover plate and the whole thing just came out loose, literally. All right, so doesn't matter, I still gotta open this up, put a 4-prong, but this can be fixed regardless. Yeah, I mean, preventative maintenance. And if you could see here, the actual neutral was burning up. Wow. There's so many reasons to do things right and do a diagnostic and give them the proper fix. So get a 4-prong outlet there and we'll get that done. Perfect. Hey guys, so today we're going to work on installing, rewiring these cans. As I mentioned yesterday, whole cloth wiring in there. You guys will see the process. And also we're going to change these dimmers right here to LED. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Looking great.